Jester, no, chaotic political weather at the moment, is it still worth it to invest here in the Philippines? I would say, wrong question na is it worth it to invest here in the Philippines? Ang tanong is, where are good investments here in the Philippines? Kasi unang-una, nasa Pilipinas tayo, so talagang yung mga investing in the country is yung pinaka-accessible sa atin. So, don't ask if it's still worth it. Instead ask, where should you invest? And for now, what I'm seeing, ang easily accessible sa atin, sabihin na natin, Pag-ibig MP2 pa rin talaga, pinaka-accessible to most Filipinos. Yung mga time deposit or mga high interest savings account ng mga digital banks, isa rin yan sa mga pinaka-accessible na okay naman yung performance. Tapos mga feeder funds and REITs. So yan yung mga mga top of the list ko na investments na dapat tinitingnan natin. If you have access to cooperatives, no, katulad ng yung Tagum and other co-ops na nag-accept ng mga members nationwide, then you should also consider that, because itong mga to, ang nakaka-affect ng dividend sila is more of the performance of the business and less about the chaos of the economy and the political climate, no? Kasi usually focus yan sa isang certain location. Kung okay naman yung economy and yung business niya dun sa particular location, then definitely yung dividends nitong mga co-ops na to would be consistent and stable. Just like yung Pag-ibig MP2, talagang ang relationship lang yan is yung mga nag-housing loan sa Pag-ibig, and meron siyang unfair advantage na salary deduction kapag nag-Pag-ibig loan ka. So regardless of the political climate and the economic status of the country, magtatrabaho pa rin talaga yung tao at makakatasan pa rin talaga sila sa sweldo na pambayad sa Pag-ibig loan nila. So in a way, stable at hindi masyadong volatile ang returns ng Pag-ibig MP2. Ang talagang makaka-affect dyan ay kapag nilalaro ni BSP yung interest rates ng bansa. But other than that, yeah. So I think those are the places or the assets that you should look into if you want to invest, Jester.